Have you ever tried German apple cake? If not, I highly recommend it. The combination of sweet apples, cinnamon, and a buttery crust is simply irresistible. I'm Madalena and welcome to Sabrissimo. Today we'll dive into the delightful recipe of German apple cake. So let's get started. We need 90 grams of butter at room temperature. Put it in a bowl. Then add 100 grams of sugar and mix them well with a mixer till the butter becomes fluffy. This is the consistency we need. Next, add 2 room temperature eggs and incorporate everything. The mixture should be foamy. For the dry ingredients, we need 200 grams of flour, 2 grams of baking soda, 10 grams of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix them to combine. Add the dry ingredients over the egg mixture. First, start with a spatula to avoid spilling flour everywhere. Then, add 90 milliliters of warm milk. Continue with the mixer and the vanilla essence. Now mix it again. The buttery is ready and it flows nicely. We are halfway through our journey to bake this heavenly German apple cake. If you are following along or plan to make it later, remember to pause this video and gather those ingredients. And if you are enjoying the process, give us a thumbs up to let us know. Now prepare a 18 centimeters baking pan lined with parchment paper. Pour the cake batter into the cake pan and level it with a spatula. Tinely slice 2-3 apples and insert them into the buttery all around until you form a rose shape. For the final touch, sprinkle a teaspoon of cinnamon. The scent is amazing. I really love the smell of cinnamon. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Our cake is in the oven, but while we wait, don't forget to subscribe to Sabrissimo for more fantastic recipes like this one. Remove the cake from the oven and let it cool at room temperature. For the syrup, we need a pinch of cinnamon, a teaspoon of powdered sugar, a tablespoon of honey, and a tablespoon of water. Mix them until you get a homogeneous syrup. Use a honey spoon to spread the syrup over the cake. Our German apple cake is ready and looks simply irresistible. It's tender, bursting with apple flavor and that hint of cinnamon. Perfection. Thank you for joining us today in the kitchen. Now I am going to enjoy this slice. If you loved this recipe, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out our culinary adventures. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or suggestion on this recipe. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Till then, happy cooking!